Okay, let's start now. So today we will revise chapter one of function now, okay? Now, before we start, okay, we try to do as many questions as we can now, okay? So before we start, I give you everything first, okay? So I first give you everything in function, okay? So you can take a picture or you can screenshot lah. You can take a picture or you can screenshot. Okay, like the most important thing in function, the most important thing in function is this one. This is the most important thing in function. Yes, is to sub. The most important thing in function is to sub. Take the bracket sub into x. Let's say, for example, fx equals to 2x plus 3. And then the question asks you, oh, f bracket 5. So what you do? You take the bracket 5, sub into the x. So this is the most important thing in function. No matter what, take the bracket sub into x. I don't care whether the bracket is small or big or very long. Our job is the same. Take the bracket sub into x. Now you see how you think like this. If I take the bracket sub into x, then it becomes 2 bracket plus 3. So you see 2 bracket plus 3. Then of course you press calculator and calculate lah, right? I know this one everyone understand. But when it comes to this one, some people get confused lah. Okay, but then I tell you what, don't get confused. Your job is always the same. Take the bracket sub into x. That's the most important thing in function, okay? So let's say, for example, the question is f bracket 2x. I don't care whether the bracket is big or small or what. Our job is the same. Take the bracket sub into x. So you think, what happened if I take the bracket sub into x? Oh, it becomes 2 bracket plus 3, right? So 2 bracket plus 3. But then this time the bracket is 2x lah. Yeah, understand and then of course, yeah, 2 times 2 is 4 lah. Okay, of course. Then last example, you see this one, wow, the bracket very long, right? A lot of people don't know how to do this. But then it's the same. You don't care whether it's long or what. Your job is the same. Take the bracket sub into the x. So what happened? You think, oh, what happened? If I take the bracket sub into x, oh, it becomes 2 bracket plus 3, or it becomes 2 bracket plus 3. Understand? Yeah, but then the bracket a bit long lah, right? But you don't care. You just sub. Understand? Okay, very good. So this is the most important thing, okay? Okay, next is this one. This one you just remember lah. Map onto itself is fx equal x. Sometimes they call it remain unchanged. Okay, next, number 3. This one, inverse function. Now, I show you how to do inverse function okay? From the beginning, I show you lah, okay? Everything. Okay, wait Wait. So I just show you how to do inverse function now, okay? Now, let's say, for example, you have the original function that looks like this, okay? Fx equals to something, something, lah, right? So now you want to do inverse function. Now, this is how you do it. You take the left-hand side, like this, you take the left-hand side and then equals to y. And then you take the right-hand side also equals to y. You take both the left and the right, both equals to y at the same time. Both equals to y at the same time. You do this at the same time so that you don't forget. Then afterwards, this x and y you switch. So it becomes inverse. Yeah, when the x and y you switch, it becomes inverse function. When the x and y switch, become f inverse. Okay? Then the other side, this one, your job is to find the x. So plus 3 bring over become minus 3 lor. Times 2 bring over divide 2 lor. Your job is to find the x lor, okay? Like normal maths lah. Then last, once you found the x already, you take this one and this one, you join together. So f inverse y equals to y minus 3 over 2. Then lastly, you change the y into x. Yeah, that's the answer. Change the y into x, change the y into x. Yeah, so that's the inverse function. Lor. Yeah, just like that. Lah. There's no formula. You just have to remember the steps. Okay. So again, left hand side equals to y, right hand side equals to y. Then the x and y you switch. Then it becomes f inverse. It becomes inverse. Then this side, your job is to find x. Yeah, once you found the x, take this and this join together. Lastly, change to x, change to x. Okay, next is the feast and the foil. Now, this feast and foil is a bit long, okay? So I show you the workings, but first you memorize this one first. Feast stands for find inside substitute, find outside inverse. Yeah, you memorize lah. Find inside substitute, find outside inverse. Means what? Means if you want to find the inside, you do substitute. If you want to find the outside, you do inverse. You can take a picture or screenshot first. When you free, I give you everything here. So you take a picture or you screenshot. Then when you free, you take out the photo, have a look so that you remember, okay? Okay, like I show you how to do the face foil. Yeah, I already prepared here. Like, you can also take a picture or screenshot. You can also take a picture or screenshot. Okay, like let me explain. Okay, now let's say for example. Okay, let's say for example. Now this is a question. The question is this one. Yeah, I changed the color. Yeah, so I just changed the color so that you know what is the question. Okay, now let's say for example, question give you this and this, and then ask you to find gx. Let's say lah, so let's say the question give you fx and then give you fgx and then ask you to find gx, right? Yeah, it's given this one and this one, and then ask you to find this one, right? So you see, you think like this. Oh, I want to find gx. Gx is on the inside, don't you think? The question asks you to find gx. Gx is on the inside. So this question is find inside, lor. So find inside, you do what? Find inside substitute fees, right? The one that I asked you to memorize. Yeah, you memorize the fees point. So find inside substitute. Okay, so how to do substitute? Wait, wait, someone, wait. Oh, sorry. Okay, continue. Now, so this is how you do fees. Okay, now first you put a bracket around the inside. You put a bracket surround the inside. Then you do what? You do substitute. You do the most important thing. The very first thing that we learned just now, because you see, you want to find inside, you do substitute, right? What is the substitute? Substitute is the very, very important thing, lor. The most important thing that we learned just now, lor. What is the most important thing in function? Substitute, right? You do the same method, although the bracket is a bit different. But our job is the same. Take the bracket, sub into x. The very first thing that we learned just now. Although the bracket a bit different, right? Oh, bracket inside is gx. Yeah, I know, but then we don't care what is the bracket, Our job is to take the bracket sub into x, right? So I take this gx and sub into the x. So it becomes 2 2gx plus 3. So you see 2gx plus 3. Understand? This is where a lot of people don't know how to do lah. The right hand side, just copy. Yeah, the right hand side, you just copy. Understand this one? You take the bracket, you take the gx and sub into the x. So it becomes 2gx plus 3. Then from here, you just do normal maths. Oh, plus 3, bring over minus 3. Yeah, 6 minus 3 is 3 lah. Times 2, bring over, divide 2. Yeah, done. No? So that's the gx. Oh. So this is how you do feast. This is how you do find inside substitute. All right. Okay, good. So you screenshot or you take a picture. When you free, you take out, have a look at the photo. Have a look at this photo once in a while. So that you remember how to do. Okay, then next is the foil. Now, let's say for example, question give you this and this, and then ask you to find gx. Let's say for example, question gives you this and this, ask you to find gx, right? So now, gx, where is gx? Oh, gx is on the outside, right? So this question is find outside inverse. To find the outside one, you need to do inverse. Now, this is how you do it. First, you also put a bracket around the inside first. You always do like this, you put a bracket around the inside. But then this time you don't sub. Understand? You don't sub because to find outside, you need to do inverse, right? So you do like this, What is fx? Oh, fx is 2x plus 3, right? Yeah, copy. Because given fx is 2x plus 3, right? Fx is 2x plus 3. Then you take this one, go and do inverse on the other side. You take this one to the other side and do inverse on the other side. Yeah, you don't do it. Don't do this here, Don't do this here, You do it at the other side. Yeah, so that you don't get confused, okay? Normally I do at the other side. I don't like to mix everything together. So I take this one, go to the other side, equals to y, just like how we do inverse. Just like how we do inverse. So 2x plus 3 equal y. And then still remember, when we do inverse, our job is to find the x, right? When we do inverse, like this one. When we do inverse, we equals to y, right? And then we want to find the x, right? Same thing, so plus 3 bring over minus 3. Times 2 bring over divide 2. So x equals to y minus 3 over 2, right? Okay, after you finish doing inverse, you come back to here. You come back to here. You do like this. You make this 2x plus 3 become y. You make the x become y minus 3 over 2. Why? Because 2x plus 3 equals to y. And then x equals to y minus 3 over 2. So you change the 2x plus 3 into y. And then you change the x into y minus 3 over 2. Understand? This is where a lot of people forget. This is where a lot of people forget how to do. Okay, this one understand. So you change this into y, you change this into this because of this and this. Then of course you do extension. Calculate this normal mathematics. So times. And then combine into a single fraction, right? 6 times 2 is 12. Combine into a single fraction, make it become the same denominator. Then you press calculator. In the end, change the y become x, change the y become x, just like how we do the inverse. Inverse, in the end, you change the y become x, right? Just now also. So that's why find outside inverse because the process is similar to inverse function. Okay, good you take a picture and screenshot. Okay, make sure you remember how to do lah. Okay, next. Yeah, there are more things I need to give you. Okay, next I give you this one. Right. Next, I give you this. Right. Yeah, this one you also can take a picture or screenshot. Okay, right. You take a picture or screenshot. Let me explain. Now, this is theory. This one you need to just memorize lah. Just memorize. Now, you see one to one and many to one is function. One to many and many to many is not function. Actually, to one is function Too many is not function Okay. Okay, and then only one to one has inverse function. Only one to one has inverse function. The rest don't have inverse function. Understand? Okay, okay, so now I give you example. Let's say, for example, the question give you this. Let's say the question give you this, and then ask you, oh, is this a function? Is this a function? Does this has inverse? I teach you how to determine. Now you see, if you want to know whether this has inverse or not, if you want to know whether this is a function or not, you first need to determine what is the type? If you want to know whether this is a function or not, you need to first determine what is the type, right? How to determine what is the type? You need to do line test. Yes, you know, this is what your school teacher teach lah. This is what you learn in your textbook lah, right? Line test. Now you think like this. You imagine a horizontal line. 一条横线 you imagine a horizontal line. A horizontal line will touch 2 points, right? Many lah. Yeah, you just imagine. You don't have to really draw. You look at the picture. You imagine a horizontal line. Oh, a horizontal line will touch 2 points. So many. Then afterwards, you imagine a vertical line. A vertical line. Oh, a vertical line will touch 1 point, all right? Yeah, one. So conclusion, it is a many to one. Understand? Means what, Means horizontal line is the first word. And vertical line is the second word. So you use the line test, then you will know what is the type. This is a many to one. So is this a function? Is this a function? Oh, it is many to one. So yes, many to one is a function. Yes, it is a function. Does this has inverse? Oh no, it does not has inverse. It does not have inverse because many to one does not have inverse. Only one to one has inverse Understand? So these are theory. You need to remember okay? Okay, give you one more example. This one. So again, the same question. Is this a function? Is this a function? Does this has inverse? Let's determine what is the type first. You need to determine what is the type. What is the type first? Then only you know, right? Like determine first, imagine a horizontal line. Oh, horizontal line touch 1 point. Yeah, one. Then next, imagine a vertical line. Oh, a vertical line touch 1 point. One. So conclusion, it is a one to one. It is a one to one. This is a one to one type. So is this a function? Yes, because one to one is function. Does this has inverse? Yes, it has inverse because one to one has inverse. Understand? I mean not difficult lah, right? You just have to remember, right? You just need to remember. Okay, then one more thing let's say for example, the question give you this one, and then the question say, oh, this is no inverse, right? Okay, let's say for example this is the more difficult question. The question give you this one, and then we all know that this has no inverse, right? Because it is a many to one, right? So now here comes the question. How to make something that is no inverse to become something that has inverse? You remember what I teach you, this one, yeah, this is seldom asked lah, this type of question, okay? But I hope you can remember lah, okay? Because this type of question they seldom ask. How to make something that is no inverse become something that has inverse leh? The answer is cut into half. You cut it into half, you take only the right hand side. So it becomes like this. Because you see if it is like this, it is many to one, so it has no inverse. But when you cut it into half, you take only the right hand side, it becomes like this. When you cut it into half, you take only the right hand side, it becomes like this one. So it becomes one to one. So it will have inverse. So how to make something that is no inverse to become something that has inverse? Yeah, cut it into half. Because when you cut it into half, you take only the right hand side, it becomes one to one. One to one has inverse. Understand? That's the things here. Okay. Later because I know there's one question like this inside the notes. As I say, like I say, this type of question is seldom asked. But I hope you can remember lah. Okay. And then you see when you cut it into half you take only the right hand side right? The right hand side is more than this point. You see this point is the what we call 那个 axis of symmetry. You know axis of symmetry, right? Yeah, the one that you learn in maths, the middle point. Yeah, it is always the maximum point or the minimum point. And then the x is 2, right? So you say x more than 2. Means you take only the right hand side of the 2. So x more than or equal to. Yeah, just like that. Okay, last. Yeah, last one. Then we can do question already. Now, last one is oops. Yeah, I'm sorry. Let me adjust a bit this one. Okay, the last one is this. Yeah, you also can take a picture or screenshot. Okay, now this is to teach you how to draw inverse function. Let's say, for example, they give you the original function. Let's say, for example, the question give you original function fx that looks like this. So how to draw inverse function? First, you draw the mirror. The mirror, I tell you what, the mirror is called y equal x, and then it is always 45 degree. 一定是45度, it is always 45 degree. You just use your ruler, draw the middle line, cut through the middle. You call it y equal x. And then what you do, you do reflection. Reflection. You see, this is a mirror, right? So the original like this, so the reflection is like this. Understand? You can like this, you see, you just turn your book around, turn your book a bit, then just do the reflection like a mirror, like a mirror. This become this, here become here. Understand? Last example. Let's say the original is a straight line. Let's say the original fx like this. You want to draw inverse function. First, you draw the mirror. Yeah, dot, 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 dot. 45 degree, yeah, cut through the middle. Then you do reflection, here, reflect, become here, You just need to, normally this is what I do. I turn the book around, I turn the notes, I put the mirror in the middle, then I can see the reflection. Yeah, that's all. So you can take picture or screenshot. So these are all the things you need to know in function. So now let's start do question together. Okay. Okay, like let's start now. Ah, sorry, excuse me. Okay, like let's start do question now. Okay, like we start from question number one now. Okay, now this question number one I quickly go through lah. Okay, because this type of question actually seldom come out lah. Okay, so I just quickly go through. Like they want you to write down the domain, codomain, and the range. Okay, like now domain question A domain is the first group. Okay, so which is X, Y, Z. But then you need to put bracket lah. Yeah, you must put the special bracket. Okay. Okay, then the codomain is the second bracket lah. Which is 3579. But again, you need to put bracket lah. You need to put the special bracket lah. Okay. Then last is the range. Range is what? Range is also the second part, but only those that is connected. So only 3, 5, and 9. Again, you need to put the special bracket. Yeah, the answer already given here lah. Okay. Okay, then B Now B the domain is the x-axis. Remember lah, domain is the x-axis lah. Okay. So you see the x-axis according to the picture the graph the x-axis is between -5 and 20 right? So x in between -5 and 20. Yeah, domain is x. Ah, then the range. The range is the y. So you see the y according to the graph y-axis is between -10 and 30 right? So the y in between -10 and 30. Oh, but then I shouldn't write the y. Because in this question, the y is fx. So instead, I write fx. Same thing here. Question C, the domain, again, same. Domain is the x. So you see this picture, the x is -4, -1, 2, 4. But you must put the special bracket. Okay, -4, -1, 2, 4. Then the normally they won't ask codomain. Normally they ask range one. Range is the y lah. Again, you have to put the special bracket lah. The y is -2, -4, 2, 8. -2, -4, 2, 8. Oh yeah, there's another one. Oh, sorry, there's another one point here. Oh. Yeah, this point, the x is 0, the y is 10. Yeah, so I missed out a 0 here and a 10. Yeah, I saw this point, this point, this point, but I didn't saw this point. Yeah, so yeah, you just add on. The x is 0, the y is 10. Yeah, this point is 0, 10. Okay, next question. Hi, yeah, this one, same. Yeah, though I don't want to talk much lah. This one, what is the type? Yeah, what is the type? Yeah, you see, one goes to two. Yeah, one to many, lor, right? Yeah, although there's a one to one, but if you have one to many, then you one to many. Understand? Okay. So this one, one to many. So number C, determine whether it is a function. Determine whether it's a function. No, it's not a function because one to many is not function. Yeah, just like that. Okay, next. Yeah, this one, line number 3. Determine whether it's a function or not. Determine whether it's a function or not. Yeah, you do the line test. You do the line test, right? Just now I show you the theory already, right? You remember? So you imagine a horizontal line. Oh, horizontal line touch many points, right? Yeah, so it is a many to, then you imagine a vertical line. Oh, a vertical line touch only one point, right? Yeah, no matter where you put the vertical, no matter where you put the vertical, you can put the vertical here, also touch one point. You can put the vertical here, also touch one point. Yeah, so many to one. Understand? So is this a function? No. Eh, no pula. Yes. Yeah, one to one and many to one is function. Okay, good. So you want to determine whether it is a function or not, you need to do the line test. You need to determine what is the type first. Okay. The second one, B. Oh, first you do a horizontal line. You imagine a horizontal line. Oh, the horizontal line, you can put anywhere, the horizontal line, you can put here also can. You can put here also can, right? Oh, the horizontal line, touch one point. If you put the horizontal line here also can. Yeah, it's touch one point also. Yeah, so it is one. The first word. The first word is one. Then the second word, you imagine a vertical line. No matter where is a vertical line, yeah, touch one point, yeah. No matter where is the vertical line, it also touch one point. Yeah, so it is a one to one. So is this a function? Yes. Like that. This one, imagine a horizontal line. This horizontal line touch 2 points. Yeah, so many. Then you imagine a vertical line, also touch 2 points. Yeah, also many. Yeah, so is this a function? No. Many to many is not a function. Okay, next. State the value of h. 来。Let's look at number 4. Excuse me. Okay, like number 4. Now, this one a bit challenging. Yeah, you want to find the value of h. Then you need to know the relationship between all these numbers. How to make -2 become -5. How to make 2 become 3. How to make 3 become 5. Yeah, how to make negative 2 become negative 5? How to make 2 become 3? How to make 3 become 5? You need to know the relationship first. Then only you know 0 become what, right? Now, then only you can find the H, right? So how to know the relationship? Now, you need to do like this. You need to treat it as, hey, actually, this one you not yet learn, right? Because this is one of the thing in mathematics. But never mind, I just teach you, okay? Yeah, this is actually one of the topic in maths. Now you do like this, you do like this. You treat this as a point, coordinate. Like what you learn in maths in form 3, okay? You see, 2 goes to 3, right? The coordinate 2, 3. Then another one is 3 goes to 5, right? So another coordinate is 3, 5. And then you do like this, gradient equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I don't know whether you learn already or not. Is this one you learn already? In mathematics. This one you all learn already in maths. Gradient. Yeah, so I think this one won't come out. Is Yeah, is you have to learn this one first. Learn last year. Oh, form 3. Form 3 you learn this one. Then yeah, then it's included lah. Yeah, because I'm not sure your math syllabus, okay? Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You just do lah, okay? 5 minus 3 is 2, or 3 minus 2 is 1, so the gradient is 2 over 1, which is 2 lah. Yeah, yes. Then you do y equal mx plus c. Have you learned this already? Y equal mx plus c. This is also from normal mathematics. Then you just use one of the point. You see, this is x, this is y, right? Yeah, you see, the y is 3, the x is 2. So the y is 3, the x is 2, the m is 2. The y is 3, the x is 2, the m is 2. Then from here you can find the c. You see, 2 times 2 is 4. Then 4 you bring over, 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So the c is negative 1. Ah, so the c is negative 1, right? Then you can write out your function. You see, your function is fx equals to, once you got this already, once you got the c, you write out your function. You see, fx is 2x minus 1. The m is 2. The c is negative 1. So 2x minus 1. It is actually y equal mx plus c. You just the m and the c. Understand? Then from here, you can find the value of h already. You see, question A. Fx equals to 2x minus 1, right? You see the 0 goes to h. You sub the 0. The x is 0, the 0 goes to h, right? So you sub the x with 0. So when the bracket is 0, you sub. So 2, 0, minus 1. So the answer is negative 1, just like that. Yeah, you need to do this one first. Question B, using function notation. Now, function notation is what? Function notation is this one. This is function notation. Just like that. Okay, continue. Finally. Finally, we have something more common. Okay, now we quickly go through. Now, the function g map x into y, the function h map y into z. Meaning what, Meaning this is gx. This is hx. Notice the arrow, notice the arrow, like question number one. Question A. G inverse 6. G inverse 6. Now, think like this. From left-hand side, go to the middle is GX. So G inverse is how? G inverse will be like this. Understand? Because you pay attention to the arrow. From left go to middle is GX. So from the middle go to left is G inverse, because inverse function is reverse ma. Understand? So G inverse 6, meaning you from the middle 6, you go to negative 3. Yeah, so the answer is negative 3, just like that. Understand? So logically lah, I mean inverse means reverse lah, understand? So same thing, if from middle go to right hand side is HX, then from the right hand side go to the middle will be H inverse lor. Understand? But then the question never ask H inverse. Never mind. Okay, like B. HG negative 3. Now, this one, you do like this. You leave the left hand side, you start the right hand side first. Always like that. Always leave the left hand side first, start from the right hand side. You see, what is G negative 3? Means what, Means the negative 3 go function G. Go through function G. The negative 3 go through function G. So you see, the negative 3 goes through the function G. Function G is from left go to middle. So negative 3 go through the function G becomes 6. Negative 3 go through function G becomes 6. Then only H6, meaning the 6 go through H. So you see the 6 in the middle, go through the function H. H is from middle to the right, so it becomes 12. So it becomes 12. Done. Understand? Yeah, just remember lah, always leave the left hand side first. Always do the right hand side first. Okay, next one. Similar. Like you look at the picture. Like this is H, function H, right? Then function H, so terbalik H inverse. Like this is function K, so terbalik K inverse. Understand? So now ask you question A. Ask you HK inverse 3. So again, leave the left hand side first. Do the right hand side first. Always do the right hand side first. The left hand side, the H, you leave it. You do the K inverse 3. Meaning 3 go K inverse. Where is 3? 3 is here. K inverse is from the right to the middle. So 3 from the right go to the middle is 8. So it becomes 8. 3 go K inverse. 3 go K inverse is 8. And then the 8 go H. The 8 go H. H is from the middle to the left. So 8 from the middle to the left is 5. Yeah, so the answer is 5. Okay, question B. Using the function notation, express the H inverse, means ask you to find out what is H inverse. This one, you use back the 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 method that I teach you just now. This one, use back this one. This. Function notation. Write out the points, write out the coordinates, and then do the gradient, do the y equal mx plus c. I show you. Same. You see, where is H inverse? Yeah, they only want H inverse. H inverse is from the left to the middle, right? So you go from left to the middle. So 9 go to 12. 5 go to 8. So it's like this. 9, 12, 5, 8. 9, yeah, because H inverse is from the left to the middle. So 9 go to 12. 5 go to 8. So 9, 12, 5, 8. Yeah, coordinates. So, then you do the gradient. Gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 12 minus 8 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 over 4 is 1. Then you do y equal mx plus c. The y, I tell you what, you just choose one point. Choose one point. You see the y, yeah, the y is 8, the x is 5, right? Just choose one point to do. The y is 8, the m is 1, the x is 5. Then you find out the c. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 bring over 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So you can write out the function already. Once you have this already, you can write out the function. The function is h inverse x. Ah, Equals to mx plus c. Follow this one. The m is 1, the c is 3. So the m is 1, the c is 3. Yeah, but then 1 times x is x lah. Continue. Like, like next. Okay, next, they want you to sketch this graph. Like, this one we do together. Sketch the graph. Yeah. Yes, yes. Sketch the graph for this modulus. The domain is x between -1 and 1. Yes, yes. This symbol is called modulus. Ah, eh? Let me write out the function. Now, fx equals to modulus 2x plus 1. Yeah, this line is called modulus. You all still remember what is the meaning of modulus? Do you still remember what is the meaning of modulus? Modulus means what? Modulus means everything become positive. Yeah. Let's say, for example, you modulus 5. So the answer is 5. What if you modulus -5? Then the answer is also 5, right? Okay, you must know this, you must know this. If not, cannot do, okay? Okay, now, let's learn how to sketch the graph. Now, you do like this. You see, they say the domain is x between -1 and 1, right? So I tell you what, you draw a table. You draw a table. You put x and fx. Then you see, the x is between -1 and 1, right? So what are the numbers that is between -1 and 1? So because the question say x between -1 and 1, right? So we use all the number that is between -1 and 1. I tell you what, between -1 and 1, there are -1, 0, and 1. Understand? Okay, x between -1 and 1, right? So all the numbers that are between -1 and 1 are -1, 0, and 1. So just use the domain given. They say x between -1 and 1. So I use all the number that is between -1 and 1, which are -1, 0, and 1. Understand? Then you take the x, you sub into the function. You see, I do everything. Yeah, everyone. Sorry, every number. So you see, if the x is negative one, if the x is negative one, right? So f negative one, so you take the bracket sub into the x. So modulus 2 bracket negative 1 plus 1. You press calculator, negative 1, right? You press calculator, you get negative 1, right? Then modulus negative 1 become 1. So the fx is 1. Then you do f0 also. When the x is 0, also sub, right? Also take the bracket sub into the x, right? Yeah, basically you do every number. Yeah, bracket sub into x. So 2 bracket 0 plus 1. You press calculator, you get 1. Modulus 1. Modulus 1 is 1. Eh, modulus 1 is. Hmm. Sorry. Yeah, you just do. Just follow. Okay. Okay. Now once you have all this ready, you can draw the graph ready. Okay. No need to use graph paper. Okay. Like first you draw the y-axis and the x-axis. Now, your x-axis is x. Your y-axis is fx. Don't write y. Don't write y. Write fx because this question is fx. Then you just use all these points, all these coordinate. The first coordinate is negative 1, 1. So it's here. Negative 1 is here. 1 is here, right? So the coordinate is here. Okay. Then 0, 1. The coordinate is here. 0, 1. Wait. 0, 1 here. Then next, the coordinate is 1, 3. 1 is agak-agak here, and then 3 agak-agak here. So here. Then you use your ruler. You use your ruler. You use your ruler. Excuse me. I tell you what, you use your ruler to draw a V shape because modulus the graph of modulus is always V shape. It's always like this. I tell you what, the graph of modulus is always V shape. Yeah. So you see the V shape looks like this. So you use your ruler, you just join these two lines first. Then the other point you join. Like that. So that's the answer. This is how you draw the modulus graph. Yeah, you just have to remember that modulus graph, the graph of modulus is always V shape. You just connect these 2 points first. You don't draw this one first, Don't draw this one first. You draw this one first. Because here got 2 points, Then here you connect. Like that. Answer. No answer. Yeah. Never mind. This is the answer. Okay, so that's the answer for question A. Okay, next question B. Now, question B asks you to state the range. Like, still remember what is range? Do you still remember what is range? Wait, got question. Teacher, the graph freehand, what do you mean by freehand? No, you should use ruler. But you just, no, you should use ruler. You should use ruler. It is straight. It is straight. Use your ruler to connect these 2 points. And then touch the x-axis. Yeah, because modulus graph is always like this V shape. Yeah, so you should use ruler. It's straight. The line is straight. The line is straight. You need to use ruler. But then no need to draw on graph paper. You just draw on the empty space. Okay, then next question B. Now question B asks you to state the range, ma. Do you still remember what is range? This one you see what is range? Anyone? Just now, like never mind. I show you. Go back to question one. You go back to question one. Still remember here. Range is what? Range is the y. Domain is the x ma. Range is the y ma. Right. So you see you see just now this is what we did in question one. You see the graph the graph, if you look at the y of the graph, if you look at the y of the graph, the y is between -10 and 30. So you say fx between -10 and 30, right? So go back to the question. You see our graph, what? The graph is between what and what? But then range is y. So the the lowest y is 0. The highest y is 3, right? The graph is between 0 and 3. So fx in between 0 and 3. Understand? So you remember that the range is the y, between the y. The domain is between the x. Understand? Domain is between x. So you see between -1 and 1, right? Then the range is between the y, between the 0 and the 3. But then don't write y, write fx, because this is fx. Okay, question C. State the domain given the range is this. This one, you need to look at the picture. You see. If the range is between, you see, if the range is between 0 and 1. Now, you see, what is range again? What is range? Range is the y, right? Range is the y. So if the y is between 0 and 1, you look at the picture, look at the graph that you draw. If the y is between 0 and 1, where? Here. Right? If the y is between 0 and 1, then our graph is here, right? Then our graph is here, because only this part is between 0 and 1, when the y between 0 and 1, the y between 1 and 0, this is our graph, the V. Yeah, the V. So what is the domain of this part? What is the domain? Domain is what? Domain is x. So what is the x of this part? You see the x of this part is between -1 and 0, right? So the answer x between -1 and 0. Just like that. Okay, next. Diagram shows part of the graph. Yeah, you see, negative modulus. Ah, don't worry, just do only this one. Like question A, find the value of K. Where is K? Oh, K is here. Now, K comes from what? K comes from 3, ah. You see the 3 go to K, right? The 3 is the X, ah. So what you do, You do F3 lah. Understand? Because the X is 3, So take the bracket sub into the X. So it becomes negative modulus 3. Yeah, you see, always take the bracket sub into the X, right? That's the very first thing we learn, right? The most important thing. Then modulus 3 become 3. Then negative 3 lah. Yeah, done. So K is negative 3 lah. Yeah, the answer K equal negative 3 lah. Question B. What is the type of the relation? What is the type? You want to determine what is the type? You need to do line test. Horizontal line touch 2. So many. And then vertical line touch only 1. Yeah, many to 1. Next. Fx equals to 2 plus modulus 1 over 2x minus 1. Wow, the function very long. But I tell you what, also the same. You just do only. You see question A. Ask you to find the C. Where is the C? C is here, right? I tell you what, the X is 0. So you do F bracket 0. The X is 0. Because at this point, the X is 0. At this point, the X is 0. Understand? So the X is 0. Then you take the bracket sub into the X. So it becomes 2 plus modulus 1 over 2 bracket 0 minus 1 modulus. So it becomes 2 plus modulus 1 over 2 bracket 0 minus 1 modulus. Then you just calculate. This one you press calculator first. 1 over 2 times 0 minus 1. You press calculator, you get negative 1. Then modulus negative 1. Modulus negative 1 become positive 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Yeah, so the C equal 3. Okay, next B is the range. The range again is the Y. Range is Y, right? From you see the graph is between what Y and what Y. You see the graph between this Y and this Y. Right? I tell you what, this one must be 2. This one must be 2. How I know? Because this 2. Okay? Then what is the highest Y here? This one you need to sub the 9. You F9. Because the X is 9, this one. Then you take the bracket 9, sub into the X, then you press calculator. Okay, this one you press, well, you get 7 over 2. Modulus 7 over 2 is 7 over 2 lah. 2 plus 7 over 2, 11 over 2. So here is 11 over 2. So the range means the y ma, right? So it's between 2 and 11 over 2. So fx in between 2 and 11 over 2. Okay, good. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we try to do as many as we can. Oh, finally we have calculation. We have this kind of calculation question. Like number 10, given fx equals to this function. Find the object when the image is 6. Eh? Do you still remember what is object, what is image? Do you still remember what is object and image? 来 here. The object is the x. The image is the equation. This one you remember lah. Okay, this one you just have to remember. Okay, remember the object is the x. The image is the equation. Okay, so go back to the question. Yeah, this one just now I asked you to take a picture, right? So you go back. Now, so this is the object. This is the image, right? So now you think like this. Very logical thinking. You see the image is 6. The question say image is 6 And then we all know that this is the image, right? So you take this equals to 6. So 4x minus 2 over x minus 2 equals 6. Understand? Because we all know that this is image, and then the question say the image is 6, so this equals 6. Then from here you can find out the x, which is the object, because we all know that the object is x. That object is the x. So like divide, bring over, become times. Then you times 6 times x is 6x, 6 times 2 is 12. Then you try to find out the x. 6x bring over minus 6x. Minus 2 bring over plus 2. Negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10. Then times bring over become divide. Negative 10 divide negative 2 is 5. This is times bring over divide. Times negative 2 bring over divide negative 2. Negative 10 divide negative 2, 5. Understand? Okay, continue. Again, it is modulus. Okay. Then I quickly go through this one. Hey, y'all, okay. Any step you don't understand, you straight away let me know. Okay. Don't wait. I quickly go through. Okay. Like question 11. Again, it is modulus. Like question A. G3. Take the bracket sub into x. Yeah, this one no problem. Everyone can do. Take the bracket sub into x. So 5 minus 2 bracket 3 modulus. Nah, no problem. Press calculator, you get negative 1. Negative 1 modulus become 1. Yeah, done. The answer is 1. Yeah, correct. Okay, next question B. Find the value of x when gx equals 7. So you see, I copy question first. I copy gx equals 7. Then ask yourself, what is gx? Gx is this, right? Yeah, copy. You just ask yourself, what is gx? Oh, gx is this one, right? Yeah, copy. Yeah, the right hand side you copy. Understand? Gx is this. So gx is this. Then the right hand side you just copy the 7. Remember right hand side always copy. Okay. Then if you want to find the x that is inside the modulus, this one like listen. Do you still remember how to find the x that is inside the modulus? Like anyone still remember? This one I teach already in normal class. How to find the x that is inside the modulus. How to find the x that is inside modulus? Like this. If you want to find the x that is inside the modulus, you need to throw the modulus to the other side. 把 modulus 搬过去. Throw the modulus to the other side. If you throw the modulus to the other side become plus and minus. The other side become plus and minus. Means it can be plus, it can be minus, it can be positive or negative 7. It can be positive 7 or negative 7. So now you do it separately. You split into two parts. 5 minus 2x equals to positive 7. 5 minus 2x equals to negative 7. You split into two parts. One is positive 7, one is negative 7. Then means in the end, you will have two answers. Plus 5 bring over minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Times bring over divide. 2 divide negative is negative 1. That's one of the answer. Then the other one, from here you will get another answer. 5 bring over minus 5. Negative 7 minus 5 are negative 12. Then negative 12 divide negative 2 is 6. Yeah, done. Understand? So this is how you find the x that is inside the modulus. You throw the modulus to the other side become plus and minus. Yeah, you definitely learned this before in normal class, okay? But maybe you forget lah, okay? Okay, continue. Oh, nice, nice. Continue. 来来来，来，what is map onto themselves? Still remember? This one just now I give you already. What is map onto themselves? Yeah, fx equal x lor, right? Just now give you already Map onto itself, map onto themselves, remain unchanged. Fx equal x. Understand? Fx equal x. So, but then don't do fx equal x because this question is hx. Because this question is hx. So you should do hx equal x like this. You should do hx equal x. Ah, so you write down hx equal x lah. Then you think like this. You think like this. Think logically like this. You ask yourself. You see I tell you what, when I do question in exam or when I do practice whenever I do question, I always talk to myself. Oh, you ask yourself. You see, you speak to yourself. This is how I do questions Okay. You learn like this, talk to yourself. Okay, now you ask yourself, what is hx? What is hx? Oh, hx is this, right? Copy. Understand? Ask yourself, what is hx? Hx is this, right? Copy to here. Understand? So hx is 4x plus 7 over x minus 2. Then how about the right hand side? The right hand side just copy. You see, the right hand side always copy, right? We do some question just now. All the right hand side you copy only, right? Then from here you just do normal mathematics lah. Divide, bring over, become times. Then you expand. Okay, then everything bring over to the left, right? So this one you know how to do already lah, okay? X square bring over, become negative x square. Minus 2x bring over, become plus 2x. But then I put it in the middle. I put it in the middle because we all know that x go to the middle. We all know that x squared go to the front. Then x go to the middle. Ah, 4 plus 2 is 6. But then we don't like negative, right? General form, yeah, then press calculator, but then we don't like negative, right? This one I teach you before, right? We don't like negative in front. We don't like the first one negative. So we change. Negative become positive. Positive become negative. Positive become negative. Change, lor. Negative become positive. Positive become negative. Positive become negative, right? Then you press calculator. Yeah, you press lah. You get x equals to 7 and -1. Yeah. Then you write the bracket lah. Yeah, this one you know lah. Yeah, quadratic lah. Yes, quadratic. Okay, continue. Function fx. Okay, okay. Find the value of x for which the function is undefined. What is undefined? Like you write down, Undefined means what? Undefined means the bottom is 0. This one you write down, Undefined means the bottom is 0. Because when the bottom is 0, it becomes math error. For example what is 2 over 0? Do you know what is 2 over 0? You can press calculator. No, 2 over 0 is not 0. 2 over 0, if you press calculator, is math error, you know. If you press calculator, 2 over 0 or 2 divide 0 is math error. Actually, any number also. Any number divide by 0, any number over 0 is undefined. Any number over 0 is math error. So how to make it math error when the bottom is 0? Understand? So you take the bottom equals to 0. Because when the bottom is 0, it will be undefined. So you take the bottom equals 0. So 4x plus 3 equals 0. 4x equals to -3. X equals to -3 over 4. Yeah, that's the answer. Okay. Then I think B and C you can do on your own. Yeah, B and C, this one, take the bracket sub into the X lor. Okay, I quickly do lah, okay? Take the bracket sub into the X, so 6 bracket -3 over 4 bracket -3 plus 3. Yeah, just take the bracket sub into X. Sub into both the X, understand? Yeah, no problem. You just press calculator, okay? Then C, fx equal 1. Ask yourself, what is fx? Oh, fx is this, right? Yeah, copy. So 6x over 4x plus 3 equal 1. Divide, bring over, become times. Yeah, you sendiri times lah. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 3 is 3. Enough lah. You can do lah. Okay, you can find the x on your own. Right, next. Okay, question 14. Okay, given the function fx is this, and then x cannot equal a, state the value of a. State the value of a. Now, where is a? Where is a? A is here, right? Now, you see, you think like this. The question say x cannot equal a, right? Why? Think. The question say x cannot equal a, but what's the reason? Why is it x cannot equal a? Why is it x cannot equal a? This is actually the undefined. This is actually the undefined. Ah, Still remember just now I told you that when the bottom is zero, it is undefined, right? When the bottom is zero, it is math error, it is undefined, right? So the meaning here is x cannot equal a because when the x is a, the bottom will be zero. Because we all know that when the bottom is zero, it is undefined. So the bottom cannot zero. But then if the x is a, if the x is a, the bottom will be zero. So if the x is a, the bottom is 3a minus 2, right? No, no, no. 不是 no, it's not a equals zero. No, 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 no. You think like this. You see, if the x is a, almost 差一点点 almost you think x cannot equal a because if the x is a, if the x is a, if the x is a, the bottom will be zero. If the x is a, then the bottom will be 3a minus 2 right? Zero. Understand? So from here you can find out the a lor. You understand the meaning here? They say x cannot equal a because if the x is a, if the x is a, if the x is a, the bottom will be zero. So if the x is a, 3a minus 2 will be zero. Then it will be undefined. That's why the x cannot equal a. So 3a minus 2 equals 0, 3a equal to a equals to 2 over 3. Understand? Yeah, this type of question, 1 mark lah. Either you know or you don't know. Okay, B. -1 map onto itself. Again, you have this question, map onto itself. What is map onto itself? Map onto itself, fx equal x. I know. Map onto itself, everyone know fx equal x. But then in this question, you shouldn't write fx equal x. You should write f-1 equal -1. Because -1 map onto itself. Map onto itself is fx equal x. But then now is -1. So f-1 equal -1. Understand? The x and the x same. So the -1 and the -1 same. Understand? Then you continue from here. What should you do? Like, what should we do? What should we do? You should do the most important thing. The most important thing. What is the most important thing? Take the bracket sub into the x. Take the -1, take the bracket sub into x. So it becomes -1 plus b over 3 bracket -1 minus 2. So it becomes -1 plus b over 3 bracket -1 minus 2 equal -1. The right hand side always just copy. Then this one you take the bracket sub into x, which is the most important thing that we learned just now. Then from here you can calculate. -1 plus b over, the bottom is, press calculator. Divide, bring over times. Divide, bring over times. -1 times -5. is positive 5 lah. So B equals 6. Yeah, is it correct? What's the answer? Oh, B equals 6. Oh, correct, correct. This is B1, then B2. Now, before you go to do the next question, before you go and do the B2, I tell you what, because you just found the value of B, right? So what you do is you can sub the B back to the equation first. You can rewrite the equation first. So you see, it is fx equals to x plus 6 over 3x minus 2. So this is the actual function. Since I already know the B, so I put the B back to the original first. Then I write out this one. So later I can just use this one. I no need to look at this one anymore. Which is easier lah, because number is always better. Right, question number 2. Also map onto itself, right? So you do lor, fx equal x. And then ask yourself, what is fx? Oh, fx is this, right? Copy. The right hand side copy. Right hand side always copy. Then from here, you can do the normal mathematics. Divide, bring over times. Yeah, I will just stop here lah. Yeah, this one you know how to do already lah, right? You sendiri expand. Then you arrange into quadratic and then you press calculator. Okay? Yeah, this one no problem. This one you can do. Okay, like next. Okay, next. Find the value of P. We do this one, like question 15. Hey, this one actually quite okay, this one. Now, you look at the picture. You see, -2 go to 10, right? -2 go to 10 means what, you know? The function is f, the function is f. So -2 go to 10, meaning what, you know? Meaning, f -2 equal 10. Yeah, you know, good. Nice, you know, this one, okay? F -2 equal 10, okay? Because -2 go to 10. So now they want you to find the value of P, right? You do the same thing, lor. What is the, ah, ah, what should we do? Again, the most important thing. The most important thing is take the bracket sub into the x. Yeah, you see, it's always the same. Take the bracket sub into x. So if you take the bracket sub into x, it becomes -2 plus 3p. Right hand side always copy. Right hand side always copy. From here you can find the p. -2 bring over plus 2. 12 over 3. 12 divide 3 is 4. Yeah, that understand. Yeah, that's for question A lah. Okay. Okay, next question B, I use another color. Now I tell you what, question B has nothing to do with question A. This question B is totally a different question. Totally different question. Okay. Given fx equals to 2x plus m. Find the value of m if fm equal 9. So you see, I copy the question, fm equal 9. Then what should we do? Again, the most important thing. What is the most important thing? Take the bracket, sub into the x. Take the bracket, sub into the x. So m sub become 2m plus m. 2m plus m is 3m. 9 over 3 is 3. Hey, this one too simple. Okay, like next. Hey, finally. we have something different. 来，fx equals to a over x plus b. Okay, and then f negative 1 equals 6, f4 equal 1. Nice. Like, I want to do this. Now, you copy the question like this. Huh? I tell you what, you copy one on the left, one on the right. Don't do together, understand? Don't put them together like this, okay? Don't put them together like this. Always left and right, okay? One on the left, one on the right. Always like this, understand? Ah, okay, then what should we do? Again, we should do the most important thing. You see, it's always the most important thing. What is the most important thing? Take the bracket sub into the x. You see, it's always this one. So what happens if you take the bracket sub into the x? It becomes a over negative 1 plus b. It becomes a over negative 1 plus b equals 6. You see, the right hand side always copy. Same thing for this one. You also do the most important thing. Take the bracket sub into the x. What happens if you take this sub into the x? It becomes a over 4 plus b equal 1. The right hand side always copy. Then from here, you can do a bit of maths. This is divide, bring over times. This is divide, bring over times. Then of course you expand. Then from here, you can do substitution. You can do substitution to find out the unknowns. You see A equals to this, right? Sub. Yeah, substitution. Yeah, then you just, do normal mathematics lah, okay? Shouldn't be a problem for you. Then divide 5 is 2. Then once you find out one of the unknown, you can sub back to find the other unknown. Yeah, done. Understand. Okay, so before you continue to the B, before you continue the next question, what should you do first? Before you continue to the next question, since you already know the A and B, since you already know the A and B, you should take the A and B, sub, and then write down the actual function. The actual function is fx equals to 6 over x plus 2, right? So later when you do question B, you don't do this one anymore. You do this one. Understand? The question B, fx equals to 2 over x. Now, this one you can do on your own. Ask yourself, what is fx? Fx is this one, right? This one you do on your own. Okay, like next. Wow, like question 17. Let's look at this one. Diagram for this function. Okay. And then you see the picture. You see the picture. You see 5 go to 2. Negative 3 go to negative 1. Yo, what does that mean? Just now, negative 2 go to 10. So I write f bracket negative 2 equal 10, right? Same thing, same thing. You see 5 go to 2. what should I write? F bracket 5 equal to. Same. Okay. Negative 3 go to negative 1. F negative 3 equal negative 1. Same thing. One on the left, one on the right. One on the left, one on the right. Then you do the most important thing. The most important thing is what? Take the bracket sub into the x. So if I take this 5 sub into the x, it becomes 5 over n plus n. Right hand side equal to, understand. Okay, now this one, question 1 and 2, I think you can do lah, okay? Because this is similar to the previous question. You do substitution, you find out the m and n. Then afterwards, you can do number 2. So for this question, I just want to teach you the 3 and the b. Yeah, the 1, 2, you can do on your own, okay? Okay, like question number 3. Now here, I write here. F inverse is equal, F inverse 8. I teach you this one. The first two you can do on your own. Like F inverse 8. What is the answer? You see you have F and then you have F inverse, right? So I tell you what, when F and F inverse together, the answer is the same. Just like that. Same as this one. Because original and inverse together, you go back to the same place. Right? Imagine original is from left to right. Then inverse is from right, go back to left. So when you original and inverse together, you go back to the original same place. Understand? I can give you more example. Let's say G inverse 5 is equal 5. Confirm one. Whenever the original and the inverse together, the answer is the same. Give you more. H inverse H2 equal to. Whenever the original and the inverse together, the answer is the same. Same as the bracket. So no need to do anything. Just 8. Understand? Because logical thinking. Original is from left to right. Inverse is the terbalik. So you go back to the same place, right? Okay, next. Question B. Oh, nah. This one you start to have some inverse thingy already. Okay. Given kx equals this, hx equals this, okay. Determine whether this is equals to this. Hey, do you understand the question? They want you to determine whether this is equals to this. So this one I show you everything. Wow, this question. Yeah, many marks. You see. H inverse K inverse. Means you need the inverse function, right? You need the inverse function. So let's find out the inverse function first. Because we know we need the inverse function, right? Let's find out the K inverse. Now, I copy the original first. Do you still remember how to find inverse function? This method. Okay. Okay, like I do. I'm sure you can remember. Okay. So left hand side equal y, right hand side equal y. X and y switch, it becomes inverse function. So K inverse. This part, your job is to find x. This part, your job is to find x. So 2 bring over, minus 2. Times bring over become divide. Y minus 2 over negative 3. Then once you found the x, nice. You take this one and this one join together. So K inverse Y equals to Y minus 2 over negative 3. Then last you change to X. Yeah, so that's the K inverse. K inverse X equals to X minus 2 over negative 3. Okay, next, we also want to find the H inverse, because we know we also need the H inverse, like Hx equals to 7 plus 2x. Like left-hand side equal y, right-hand side also equal y. X and y switch, become H inverse. Then the other side, our job is to find x. So 7 bring over become minus 7 times 2 bring over divide 2. Then once you found the x, you take this and this join together. So you see, this is how you do inverse lah, okay? And then last you change the change the y into x, okay? Okay, so now we can answer the question. We can do this already. Is this the same as this? You need to find out one by one. You need to find out one by one. Let's find out this one first. Let's find out what is H inverse K inverse. Now you see, H inverse K inverse is I do here, like H inverse K inverse is you leave the left hand side, do the right hand side first. It's always like that, right? From the very beginning, we always do like that already, right? Leave the left hand side first, always start the right hand side. What is K inverse? K inverse is this one, right? Yeah, copy. Okay, so K inverse is x minus 2 over negative 3. Okay, now here comes the most important thing lah. Here comes the most important thing again. Take the bracket, sub into x. Sub to where? Take the bracket, sub into x, sub to where? This bracket belongs to H inverse, right? So you should take this bracket, sub into the H inverse here. It's also the most important thing. But then, sub into H inverse because it belongs to H inverse. So sub to here. Understand? So it becomes what, when you take this bracket, I know it's very big. If you take this bracket sub into here, it becomes x minus 2 over negative 3 minus 7 over 2. So it becomes like this. It becomes x minus 2 over negative 3 minus 7 over 2. Understand? Okay, this one understand. Okay, good. Of course, you don't leave your answer like this lah. You have to do calculation. Understand? You have to calculate. How to calculate this one? First, you have to combine the top part. Make the top part become the same denominator. 边同分母. The most, I mean, the longest line is always the longest line. Okay? The longest line is always the longest line. So I combine this one. Negative 7 times negative 3 is positive 21 over negative 3. Negative 2 plus 21 is 19. Yeah, the longest line is always the longest line. Okay, please write properly. Okay, the longest line is always the longest line. Okay, then do you know how to solve this one? It's like this. X plus 19 over negative 3 divide 2. Yeah, you just remember that the longest line is divide. Remember lah, the longest line is divide. So x plus 90 over negative 3, divide 2. Divide 2. Divide 2. And then divide become times, you terbalik, right? This is what we learned in standard 6. Divide become times, you terbalik. 2 terbalik become 1 over 2. Then you times x plus 19 over negative 6. So that's H inverse K inverse. Okay, not yet finished, not yet finished. Because we want to find out what is this also. And then we want to see whether they are equal. We already know that this H inverse K inverse, we know is this one already. Okay, so now we need to go and find out what is the other one. Okay, like let's do the other side. HK inverse. I use another color. Like HK. Now this one to do the HK bracket inverse you need to first do HK. Means you need to combine first. Means you need to combine first. Okay. Now H is this, K is this. Okay. Like same method. Leave the left hand side. Do the right hand side first. Leave the left hand side. Do the right hand side first. What is kx? Oh, kx is 2 minus 3x. Yeah, copy. 2 minus 3x. Then again, the most important thing. The most important thing is to take the bracket, sub into x, right? Sub to where? This bracket belongs to who? This bracket belongs to h. So you take this bracket, sub into the h. Sub into function h. So if you take this bracket, sub into the function h, it becomes 7 plus 2 bracket, right? It becomes 7 plus 2 bracket. So it becomes 7 plus 2 bracket. This one I understand. The most important thing that we learn. Take the bracket sub into x. 7 plus 2 bracket. 7 plus 2 bracket. Then you expand. Okay, so hkx equals to 11 minus 6x. Now you do inverse. You see, this is hk combined together inverse. This is hk combined together inverse. We already combined the hk. We already combined hk. So now we do the inverse for this one. Understand? Now you see how I do it. hkx equals to 11 minus 6x. Now I do the inverse for this. Okay. So left hand side equal y, right hand side equal y. Okay, left hand side equal y, right hand side equal y. Then the x and y switch. You see, I'm using the same method. I'm using the same inverse method. The x and y switch. Then it becomes hk together inverse. Because here you got hk both. You have both so it becomes hk together inverse. Then the other side, our job is to find x. So 11 bring over minus 11 times bring over become divide. So y minus 11 over negative 6. So once you found the x already, you take this and this join together. And then last, you change the y into x. Yeah, so that's the HK combined inverse. HK combine inverse. So now you see is this equal this? You see, is this equal this? Yeah, no, the answer is no, they are different, right? So the answer is no. Lor. Yeah, so just write no. Lor. They are not the same. Okay, I understand. This one is what you know. This is you inverse the K, you inverse the H, and then you combine. This one is you combine first, and then you inverse. That's the difference. Okay. This is you find out K inverse, you find out H inverse, and then you combine. This one is you combine the H and K, and then you inverse. Yeah, the result is different. Understand? Okay, yeah, I think we do one more before we end class. Okay, yeah, we do one more. Okay, yeah, I go find one question for you. Yeah, all this you can do, I tell you. All this you can do. Okay, like last page 17. Then we can end class already. Okay, last page 17. Like, can you see what question is this? What topic is this? A composite. Yeah, I know. But then to be more specific, I know this is composite function. Yeah, but to be more specific, yes, 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 good. Give you like first. You see, the question give you fx. And then the question give you fgx. 2x plus 5 over x minus 2, right? The question give you fgx and then ask you to find function g. Ask you to find function g. Where is function g? Function g is on the inside. Function g is on the inside, So what topic is this? Find inside. Understand this is find inside. So find inside do what? Still remember? Find inside. Substitute. Yes. Feast foil. Still remember? Feast foil. Ah. So you can refer to the things that I give you just now, feast foil, right? You can refer to the feast foil I give you just now, okay? Yeah, you all take picture already, right? Okay, like first you put a bracket around the inside. Right hand side always just copy. You see, the right hand side is always just copy. Then you do the substitute. Substitute is what? Substitute is the most important thing, the very first thing you learn in function. Take this bracket, sub into the x. Yeah, although the bracket very weird. Although the bracket is very weird, but you don't care. You just take the bracket sub into x. The bracket is gx, right? So if you take this gx, if you take this and sub into the x, it becomes 3, 3gx plus 2. It becomes 3gx plus 2. So it becomes 3gx plus 2. The right hand side still copy. You see, the right hand side is always copy, I tell you. Then from here, you can find plus 2 bring over minus 2 times 3 bring over divide 3, right? Plus 2 bring over minus 2. Oh, but then this one, yeah, you have to settle this one first. You need to settle this first. All right. Combine into a single fraction, all right? Combine into a single fraction. Make it the same denominator, combine into a single fraction. Now, negative 2 times x minus 2 become negative 2x plus 4. 2x minus 2x no more, 5 plus 4 is 9. Then times 3, bring over, divide 3. Yes, very good. Divide become times. Terbalik, right? This is what we learn in primary school. Divide become times, you terbalik. Times 1 over 3. So I write here. 9 over 3 is 3. So the answer is 3 over x minus 2. Understand? Oh, but then you have to do one more thing. Yeah, the bottom cannot equal 0. So you write like this. The bottom cannot equal 0. Minus 2 bring over the other side become positive 2. So x cannot equal 2. Yeah, that's the answer. Yeah, this is the answer. Yeah, this is how you do fees lah, right? Yeah. I'll show you one last one, foil. Show you one last one. Fees quite okay lah, okay? Yeah, foil is a bit more longer. Okay, last one already, foil. Like the question gives us fx equals to 3x plus 2. Then gfx equals to 9x squared plus 9x plus 2. And then ask you to find function g. So ask yourself, where is function g? Oh, ask you to find function gx. Yeah, where is function gx? Oh, it's on the outside, right? So what topic is this? This is to find outside. So find outside inverse. Find outside, you need to do inverse lah. Like I start do. First, you put the bracket around the inside. Right hand side copy. Right hand side always just copy. Right hand side always you just copy. Okay. Then don't do substitute. Don't do substitute. You should do like this. What is fx? Ask yourself. Ask yourself, what is fx? Oh, fx is 3x plus 2, right? Yeah, copy. Right hand side still copy. The right hand side is always just copy. So fx is 3x plus 2. So fx is 3x plus 2. You copy. Now you do the inverse. Now you do the inverse. Find outside need to do inverse. Now you do like this. You take this one. You go to the other side, do inverse. When you do inverse, you equal y, right? That's how we do inverse now. We equals to y, right? So 3x plus 2 equal y. And then remember our job is to find x, right? Our job is to find x. So plus 2 bring over minus 2. Times 3 bring over divide 3. Okay, so after you finish doing the inverse, you come back to here. After you finish doing inverse, you come back to here. So you come back to here, what should you write? You should write like this. You should write g bracket y. Because 3x plus 2 equal y. So the 3x plus 2 become y. Then the x become y minus 2 over 3. So the x will become y minus 2 over 3 like this. Understand? Okay, good. Because the 3x plus 2 become y. So 3x plus 2 become y. And because the x become y minus 2 over 3, so x become y minus 2 over 3. Then you have to expand everything. You have to expand everything. No choice. So I do it. I just do it. Ah, this is how you do foil. Okay. Oh, this one can be simplified. Then can simplify. You simplify. Okay. 9/3 is 3. And then 3 expand. So 3y minus 6. Now this one, always do the bracket first. Okay, always do bracket first. Okay. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3, 9. Then this one expand, 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 expand. Okay. So y times y, y square. Y times 2, 2y. 2 times y, also 2y. Negative 2 times negative is positive 4. And then next step, you can cancel the 9, cancel the 9. 9 and 9 same, same, cancel. So it becomes y squared minus 2y minus 2y plus 4 plus 3y minus 6 plus 2. Yeah, finally. Minus 2y minus 2y plus 3y is minus y lah. And then 4 minus 6 plus 2, press calculator. 4 minus 6 plus 2 is 0. Yeah, no more. So this is gy. Yeah, all these are gy. Yeah, the working a bit longer lah, the calculation a bit longer. Okay, but you understand the idea lah, right? Actually, the most important thing is here lah. The most important part is this part. You must know how to do this. Because I tell you what, most of the student can do this. Most of the student they do until here, and then they don't know how to do this one. So you must know this one. This is the most important part. The rest is expand calculation. Oh, last, change the y to x. Yeah, just like inverse function. In the end, you change the y to x. Okay lah. That's all for today first lah. Okay. So you can do any question you want. Okay. Basically, I have already give you everything. In function. Okay, I give you already all this. You take picture already, right? You can do any question. Okay. If you have any question you want to ask, you can WhatsApp me lah. Okay. You all know my numbers already. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Any question? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.